Most people drink tea to relax, but what if your cup of tea could actually heal you? What if, instead of just warming your hands, it was quietly cleansing your liver, improving digestion, and protecting you from chronic diseases all at once? You see, lemongrass and ginger aren't just ordinary kitchen ingredients. They're nature's own medicine, loaded with powerful antioxidants, antibacterial compounds, and detoxifying properties that your body absolutely loves. This soothing drink can flush out toxins, strengthen your immune system, and even give your metabolism that much-needed boost. And yet, hardly anyone knows its true potential. So today, we're diving deep into how a simple cup of lemongrass and ginger tea can transform your health from the inside out, naturally, gently, and effectively. But before we begin, if you love discovering real, science-backed wellness tips that actually work, make sure you subscribe to Envelush and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our health, beauty, and lifestyle videos that help you feel your absolute best every day. All right, let's get started and see what really happens inside your body when you drink lemongrass and ginger tea daily. The ancient secret. Lemongrass and ginger have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, from the healing temples of Ayurveda in India to the ancient Chinese apothecaries. This tea was considered a natural cure for everything from headaches and colds to serious illnesses. But what makes this blend so powerful? It's the combination of lemongrass's detoxifying oils and ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds. Together, they create a synergy that strengthens your immune system, balances your digestion, and protects your body from free radical damage, one of the main causes of chronic disease and aging. The science behind the magic. Let's break down the science. Lemongrass is rich in compounds like citral and limonene, known for their antioxidant, antibacterial, and detoxifying properties. Studies show that lemongrass helps flush out harmful toxins, reduces inflammation, and even supports liver function, your body's main detox organ. Ginger, on the other hand, contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research from the National Library of Medicine suggests that ginger can lower oxidative stress, reduce chronic inflammation, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Now imagine combining these two. It's like giving your body a daily dose of natural medicine, a tea that gently heals, strengthens, and nourishes from within. Fights chronic diseases. Chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis often start with one root cause: inflammation. But here's the good news. Studies have found that ginger's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. And lemongrass helps regulate cholesterol, supporting heart health and preventing plaque buildup in arteries. Together, they work like a natural defense system, protecting your heart, supporting healthy blood pressure, and reducing the risk of long-term illness. Fights cancer naturally. Here's something truly amazing. Both ginger and lemongrass have shown potential in fighting cancer cells. Gingerol in ginger has been found to inhibit cancer cell growth, particularly in colon, ovarian, and pancreatic cancers. Citral in lemongrass triggers apoptosis, which means it helps your body system destroy damaged or cancerous cells before they multiply. Of course, this doesn't replace medical treatment, but as part of a healthy lifestyle, this tea can be a natural ally in keeping your cells healthy and strong. Supports digestion and gut health. And let's not forget your gut, the core of your health. Lemongrass helps stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and relieve stomach cramps. Ginger enhances enzyme activity in your gut, boosts metabolism, and reduces nausea. If you often feel heavy after meals or suffer from acidity or gas, A warm cup of lemongrass and ginger tea after lunch or dinner can work wonders. Think of it as a gentle cleanse, resetting your digestive system naturally. How to make lemongrass and ginger tea. Here's a simple way to make this healing tea at home. Take 1 cup of water. Add 1 small stalk of fresh lemongrass or 1 teaspoon dried. Add 1 inch of fresh ginger, sliced. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and enjoy hot. Optional, add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and vitamin C boost. Drink it once a day, preferably in the morning or after a meal. Pro tips for maximum benefits. Tip 1. Always use fresh ginger. It has more active compounds. Tip 2. Don't add honey while boiling. Wait until the tea cools slightly to preserve its nutrients. Tip 3. Combine this tea with a balanced diet and regular exercise for best long-term health benefits. Remember, consistency is key. 1 cup every day can make a visible difference in your energy, digestion, and overall wellness. Even though lemongrass and ginger taste slightly acidic, once metabolized, they actually make your body more alkaline. An alkaline body helps prevent acne, fatigue, and inflammation. It's one of the biggest secrets behind that healthy glow. When you drink this tea before bed, its calming aroma and mild sedative effect help your body release tension and prepare for deep sleep. Unlike caffeine-based teas, this one soothes your nerves and relaxes your muscles. This tea has another amazing benefit. That is that drinking lemongrass and ginger tea can actually sharpen your focus. Lemongrass reduces mental fatigue, while ginger improves blood circulation to the brain, leaving you more alert, calm, and focused. Lemongrass and ginger tea can also be a blessing for women who experience hormonal imbalance or painful periods. Both ingredients have natural properties that help relax uterine muscles, reduce cramps, and balance estrogen levels. Drinking a cup of this tea a few days before your period can actually make your cycle smoother and more comfortable. So next time you feel stressed, tired, or heavy after eating, skip the sugary drinks and reach for nature's healing cup. Because sometimes true wellness doesn't come from a pharmacy, it comes from your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to take better care of their health. Tell me in the comments, would you try lemongrass and ginger tea daily? This is Envelish, your destination for natural health, beauty, and self-care. See you in the next video, where nature meets wellness.